What if a small change on your farm could create a big demand in the market? Yes, we are talking about superfood farming, one of the fastest growing trends in agriculture. Today, we're exploring how superfoods can open new opportunities for farmers and why these nutrient-packed crops are in such high demand. So, what exactly are superfoods? They are foods naturally rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and powerful health benefits. From boosting immunity to supporting long-term wellness, superfoods are shaping the future of healthy eating. Here are some top superfoods you can grow. Quinoa, a protein-rich grain loved by fitness enthusiasts. Kale, a leafy green loaded with vitamins and antioxidants. Chia seeds are tiny seeds packed with omega-3 and fiber. Blueberries, famous for their high antioxidant content. Turmeric, a medicinal root with strong anti-inflammatory properties. Which one would you grow first? Before you begin, research which superfoods match your region's climate, soil type, and market demand. The right planning makes all the difference. Prepare fertile, well-drained soil and use organic methods to build strong nutrition. Most superfoods respond beautifully to chemical-free farming. Each crop has its own requirements. Quinoa prefers cooler temperatures. Turmeric thrives in warm, tropical conditions. Remember, regular watering, weeding, and gentle pest control are essential. Timely harvesting helps retain maximum nutrition. Some superfoods, like chia or turmeric, need drying, grinding, or packaging to increase shelf life and value. Superfood farming isn't just about growing crops. It's about nurturing health, supporting sustainability, and embracing innovation. For beginners and experienced farmers alike, superfoods offer exciting, profitable possibilities. Thank you for watching Discover Agriculture. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.